Hello and welcome back to another Bombing Crew episode. Last time we played, well, we made it through another successful mission, we earned some more cash, and this time we came back with all our crew. I'm still at shock the fact that we lost our other original crew. But, as the new bomber plane suggests, we are to keep calm and keep trucking on. And in my off time, I did a little decal modeling. So, without further ado, let's get right back into it. So, we, we're still at the RAF Woodbridge. Still haven't completed the British side of things. At some point, we'll eventually switch over to the Americans. Just to see what that looks like. Okay, we've discovered a whole host of V1 sites ready to launch at London. Don't let those rockets through. Oh, so ammo dump hit. Yeah, two more ammo dumps. Oh, so aces. You know what? Let's go for the secret mission. And let's hope this time we don't lose our crew. Woodbridge, get us started. Oh. Okay. We've got our first waypoint coming right up. Thank you. Let's raise the gear. I don't want to be wasting more fuel than we need to. And let's see. Felix Feta is in the area. Finally, a rematch. Let's take a look at our map. Across the English Channel we go. You know what? For nice reasons, we will go to medium altitude. Get above the clouds. Ooh, I can radio for recon now. So my gunners have focus. Oh, already a target on the map. Right. Okay. Get back down to low altitude. Get us down. Come on, come on. There we are. There's the target. Oh boy. Okay. Stevenson, I need you on the bombing site. Okay. Open doors. Select. Let's see, we've got 5. Okay. This isn't good. Okay. Those doors. We got another one. Oh, we've got fighters. Let's go. Light them up. We're ready to rock and roll. Okay. Stevenson, get ready with another batch. We're coming in hot. Alright. Oh, that's not good. And away. Oh, that's not good. That is not good at all. Okay. Not good. Get us back around. Stevenson. Open those doors. I knew I forgot something. Okay, focus on the site. Oh, that's not good. Okay. New course. Which way are we looking? Okay, to the left of us. That's the left, apparently. Okay. Well, this is not good. I guess for now, let's focus on the targets we have ahead. We have a mission to complete. We're having issues with the electrical again. Okay. Just gotta keep it going. More fighters. Not good. Not good at all. Okay. Stevenson. Let's open these doors. Oh, not another rocket going off. Oh boy. Okay. Brown, lower gun. Open fire on that thing. Stevenson, prepare the bomb. And wait. More launching. That's not good. Stevenson, I'm gonna get you. Back on the gun for now. Ooh, London High Command is not gonna be happy with me. Okay, hang in there. Brown, I need you on the top gun. Oh, there's our fighter ace. Okay, final dropping load. Open doors, selected, drop it. What's that? Okay. I've got fighters untagged. I've got multiple targets to hit. Brown, you don't have focus. Oh crap. I probably should have loaded that one. Stevenson. Get ready for a photo. Okay. Let's get her going. On the gun, Stevenson. Oh, more. I need you on that, out on that fuel tank. Okay. I cannot lose more fuel. Oh boy. Okay. Firing. Focus fire. More. Back on the inside. I need you to fix the electrical. Ryan. How much fuel do we have? I can't check and I am afraid. Uh-oh. Well, we are flying with wing, part of our wing missing. We've got fighters everywhere. It seems I made a bad choice, folks. A bad, bad choice. That more. Get it to ground. Oh, not the oxygen. Oh, well, I missed an ace. Okay. Another medkit. More. I need you to grab another one. Brown, I need you back on the gun. Oh boy. Where am I going? Oh boy. I don't even know how much fuel we have left. We might have to bail. Yeah, check more. We are down to 0 fuel. We're gonna have to emergency land. Come on. Well, it seems I have not had as much success as I would like. Oh boy. Not good. That was one of my good ones too. Exit debrief. Lost another gunner. Okay. Crew gear. Who's missing? Okay. Let's give her basic gunner set. They are gunners after all. And you know what? Let's give you that. Uh-oh. Just make sure that our crew is set for this. Because I cannot afford to lose anyone else. I mean, how else are we supposed to upgrade our, bomber? If I'm stuck, well, gun turrets? Hell. Yeah, I need more money for that. So just about everything is armored. Let's see. They don't hit us from the nose that often. So let's make it lightweight. And apparently we've lost our wings, so those are important. Homing pigeon. Well, let's go D-Day color scheme. For this new bomber, the Daisy color. Boy, oh boy. Now we're getting nothing but medium missions. Oh well. Let's do it! Our crew is looking spiffy and ready for action. That's the word. Say a quick prayer. Because I don't know if they're coming home anymore. Off the ground. Race gear. New heading set. Low altitude. Okay. Brown has focus. Mackie has focus. Even has nothing as of yet. Okay. Let's look at our map. Okay. Belgium, I think, is where we're headed. How much fuel do we have? 23 minutes. Oh, not bad. Well, here's hoping, right? Away we go. I wonder. Nearby hazard. Commencing bombing run. Already. Okay. Get to your bombing site, Stevenson. Select the bombs. Open the bay door. Oh boy. There it is. Oh no, wait. There it is. We'll come back on the second run for the fighters right above us. Okay. And away. That did it. Close these doors. Get you back on the gun. Good. Perfect parking spot. There we go. That's how it's done. Stevenson, back on the site. Ready for that picture. Some new intel. Is that it? Oh, that was it. Looks like there's two of them. Okay. Right. Oh, boy. Okay. Got a... looks like manufacturing depot. There's one. Back around. Okay, Mackie needs bullets. Brown, you're gonna need bullets too. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. We can do this. You guys are ready for this. 5 accidents. Death of many friends. Wow. Okay. Final target. Before we head back across the channel. Oh boy. Right above us. Here they come. Not again. More. Get that electrical fixed. Stevenson. Open the doors. On the target. Okay. Mackie, get bullets. Stevenson. Okay, Brown is out of bullets. Okay. Let's get the blazes out of here. There we go. Oh boy. More. Holy moly, we got the whole squadron on us. Okay. I have a corkscrew method. Let me get to high altitude. Oh. All bay doors are open. Close that, and I need you on the go. Get us to higher altitude, get us out of here. Okay. I think we made it. I think. Around here not looking too good. I think you need some bed rest. Well, on the bright side, looks like they don't really. Oh, they don't really target the front too much. Yep. Oh no. Our hydraulics are shot. And at some point, I will get this bomber fixed up proper. Or at least I'll have one that lives long enough to be fixed proper. I wonder how much money I'm putting in the hole. You know, professionally flying these bombers. Oh boy, lower the gear. There we go. More. Take a seat. Nice and easy, nice and smooth. Oh boy, finally. Right on the runway. Right as rain. Oh, that's a good chunk of change. Yes, yes. 6,000 euros? Everyone's returned. Auto tag. Whoop whoop. Automatically automatically tags all fighters within radar range. Good. Now I don't have to worry so much when my crew is bombarded. Okay. So, first and foremost, let's get that tail gunner with some bullets that continuously fire so I'm not stuck. Okay. Extinguishers. Well, not really catching fire. Hydraulics though. Oh. Installing this item would put your bomber over its weight limit. Oh, geez, we're heavy. Okay. I need 3,000. Okay. So let's make the armor a little bit more lightweight then. That is... Okay. Well, let's see. Where are we taking? Damage to our wings is not good. Well, let's get us... What's the weight limit that I can... Wait. Okay. Systems... I believe... You know what? Yep, it seems like I'm heavy. Training. Oh, I almost forgot about that. I can spec my crew into secondary positions. So, let's think. Our navigator, our... Ah, yes, let's train you to be a gunner, because you're also a gunner there. What do we want for you? Secondary pilot, extra gunner for the Vental gun, or a medic? I guess with how often I'm facing death in my crew, first aid will be important. see, navigator. You know what? You are like right next to engineering, so I would like you to be close enough to do both jobs that you're closest to. Okay. There's our bombardier. Basic navigator set. Give you that. Or, no, it's radio ops. Right? Yeah, it's radio ops. Navigator. Basic pilot. And I think that will do it for now. Oh, but you know what? I'm feeling one more mission. What do we have, boss? Another submarine hunt. Destroying ammo dumps. And more V1 rockets. Well, let's keep... Oh, wait. Hold on. Let's see. Both of those give me more research points than the sub hunt, which might do me better. And it's a short duration mission. So, shouldn't take me too long. Alright, everyone's set. Let's get moving. Already, right off the bat, we're on the fritz. Marked and ready. Right? Raise the gear. I want to save as much fuel as I can. Alright, well then get us to medium altitude. Quickly. There we go. More, I need you back in your fuel position. And it's night again. Okay. Captain does not like the cold. So at level 8, I'll have visibility of the ground. Great. Let's drop down low. Below the clouds. So Stevenson, the captain, do not like the cold. Hang on there, Captain. We are dropping below. There's flak over there. How much lower can I go? I'm well aware. Get me out of the way of the flak. Oh boy. Fighters. Looks like there's no dodging the flak. Let's go right at it. Oh boy. I think we just got hit with lightning. Oh yeah, something's burning. Fire extinguisher. Okay. Stevenson, get that. Till then, let's fly away. And abandon the bombing run. Woodbridge, get us to higher altitude to avoid that flag. Stevenson, I need you back up here to fight that fire. like that. Alright, Stevenson, I need you back in your position. More fighters. Okay. Back aim on the lower gun. There we go. Oh boy. More. I need you to grab the extinguisher and get the fire off on that plane. Before we lose the entire wing. I need a repeat. Yep, fight this one. Okay, get that fire extinguisher put away. More. That fire extinguisher put away. Please. Bridge, get us back down to low altitude. Mackie, I need you back on the top gun. Boy, oh boy, how far away from mission did I fly? Oh, I am in deep doo-doo. About 2 minutes and 20 seconds. A short duration mission just turned into a horrible nightmare. I don't even think I have enough fuel to make it back to base. Oh boy. Okay. More, I need you back inside. This was supposed to be a short mission, and now I've just doomed my crew. Oh boy, there we go. 16 minutes of fuel. Here, panicking. Oh, on the good news, I'll be able to hit both on my way through. Oh, big bombs. This'll be fun. Oh wait. Closed door. I don't need it for this yet. I'm gonna bomb a target. A photograph site. That would not be wise. Steady. And... ooh, pretty. Like, what did you do today, Mr. Stevenson? Well, you know, fought the war, took some photographs. The scenery, right? Of the scenery, right? You know what? I'm dropping everything. Close. Let's get away from here. Oh boy. Auto tag. Stevenson, I need you on the gun. Mackie, reload your gun. Oh boy, another fire. More. The extinguisher. More. Extinguisher, please. Curious. Radio filming. I should have looked into what that does. Okay. More, we got a fire out on the engine. Okay, brown, focus fire. isn't good. Okay. High altitude. I just remembered. Well, that's one way to solve engine fires. Just lose the damn engines. And yes, I could slow down time, but I'd lose the bonuses if I did that. Oh boy. This is what being a capitalist feels like, you know? Gonna risk my crew's life just for some extra coin. Well, at least this time they all get to come home. Right? Not again. Okay. How much fuel more? Clean it. As long as we're not falling out of the sky. Boy. What? Hydraulics are messed up. I've got 2 chutes, 1 medic pack. Well, for better or for worse, we made it back. We made it back this time around, boys. Drinks are on me. What a nightmare. I guess I shouldn't say that till we've landed. But you know what? I think we have enough fuel. Just enough. Thank you, more. Nice and easy does it. We made it. 10 missions. All the money. Bomber repaired. I think that's just enough. Everyone's alive. Focus skills. New camos, new gear, new weapons. That mission was worth it. So let's take a look. Extinguishers, can I add them now? Nope, that would make me heavy. Okay. Engines, can I now? Not quite enough. Looks like I'll have to start sacrificing armor. And wait. And systems. Ah, so the gun system is what makes you heavy. But it also helps ensure that your crew doesn't get know what? Yeah, it's still too heavy. Oh, that would explain it. All my engines are not... How long was it gonna be till I figured that out? And here I was thinking upgrading one engine upgraded them all. Oh, no. Oh, no. How long was I flying without? Boy. Well, now that I've learned, we'll save that for next week. And hopefully by then we'll have more successful missions. Oh well.